All right, guys, continuing on with cleaning out the interior. We've got the seats out, all the brackets, all the front seat belts are out. So we're going to continue on with the back, clearing out the back seat belts. Trying to get a good camera angle is a little difficult, so I'll show you what I can. This is the backer between the back seat and the trunk. Take that out of here. All right. We're going to remove the seat belts. If I can get them out. Go the right way. Oh. Wow. All right. All right, guys, as you see, struggling with the ratchet. I don't normally go this route, but I'm not in the mood today, so we're gonna do an impact gun. Much better. Okay. That bolt's gonna be hot. All right, so we got all the seat belts done. I'm gonna stop for a second, pull them out, mark them, label them, bag them. Then we'll start pulling up all this under matting, the carpet, moving along. All right, continuing on, we are gonna start pulling up the under matting for the carpet. Put some gloves on. Definitely tell something's been living in here. There's acorns all over the place. All right, so this should come up pretty easy. Put it off to the side. Save that. That looks like a seatbelt trim. Definitely had some residence. All right. Pull up the carpet. Pull that out that way. Sorry about the camera angle, guys. It's a little difficult to do this by yourself. I'm doing the best I can. Actually coming up pretty easy. Oh yeah, look at that hole. Once I get everything out, I'll take a walk around again. We can all see the damage. Definitely needs front floor pans. To the passenger side. This is coming up a lot easier than I thought it would. All right, that wasn't too bad. Not bad. All right, guys, we got everything out of the interior now. I'm gonna do a walk around again, show all the bad spots. I vacuumed it out. Obviously, I didn't film that because nobody needs to hear all that noise. But we got the interior fully cleaned out, the floor anyway. So we're gonna do a walk around and see how bad it is. All right, guys, we're gonna start on the driver's side. Like I said, we vacuumed everything out. That is the driver's side front floor. Obviously, seeing the ground is not a good idea. There's the brake pedal to give you an idea. That whole corner is wiped out all the way back up to the cross member. So we're definitely going to need front floor pans. But if I back out a little bit, the whole back seat, everything in the rear, there's a lot of rust, but there's no rot. So all of that's solid. That's the passenger side. That's all solid. This is the passenger side front. It's not as bad as the driver's side, but it definitely needs that front floor pan up to the weld lines. I think we can get those. I'm looking into it, researching. Anybody knows a part supply guy, let me know. But yeah, that's it. Please like, subscribe, comment. New videos will be coming out soon.